Hi, good morning.
Yes, good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Please tell me about your work experience.
My first job is in the medical supplies, uh, distributing medical supplies and equipments for government hospitals and private hospitals and pharmacies. I am the one the medical representative of that company, um, selling and taking all their orders and receiving all the payments. And then my second job is in our town, government staff. I am the secretary, taking all the schedules of my higher boss and making a payroll, cleaning the office, and all the employee are also asking me a job. Taking me a job, and that's it.
And why you decided not to renew your contract?
Because the term of my boss is already finished.
Okay.
That's why I'm planning to come here and seeking another job.
How much salary are you looking for?
1,500.
What is your favorite task? It is cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
Cleaning,
What type of food can you cook?
uh, Filipino food.
What experience do you have in babysitting?
Uh, only in my own home, my nephews and my nieces.
How do you know if the baby is sick?
Uh, they're taking the vital signs.
What is your first action when a baby cries out loud?
I will cuddle her, and then let him slow down.
What are your hobbies?
Dancing,
How long do you want to work here in UAE for? How many years?
uh, 2 to 3 years.
Do you have any message for your future employer?
Okay, hi mom. If you need my help, I am here, and I try my best to be a good nanny soon.
Okay, thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.